This question is also a u substitution question, but now we have endpoints. So we start with identifying the composite function here as e to the x to the fourth. So we're going to make u equal to x to the fourth. Our du then becomes 4x cubed dx. Now unfortunately we are only given x cubed in dx, so we need to add a 4. I put a 4 in, I'm going to need to put a 1/4 in on the outside. Because we have endpoints, we also need to take our endpoints and make them in terms of u. So we're going to do u of 0, which just so happens to still be 0, and u of 1, which also happens to be 1. So they actually don't change in this case. Now we're ready to rewrite this in terms of u. So we're going to get 1/4 times the integral from 0 to 1 of e to the u du. The antiderivative then is just the same. It's a nice and easy function to work with. So our antiderivative is going to be 1/4 e to the u plus, oh, not plus c, it's a definite. So I'm going to plug in 0 and 1. When I plug in 1, I get 1/4 e to the first minus 1/4 e to the 0. E to the 0 is just equal to 1, so we're left with 1/4 e minus 1/4. Now that's not exactly like one of our answers. However, if we factor out a 1/4, we get 1/4 e minus 1. So our correct answer is A.